How to find all downloaded files on Telegram. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find all the files you've downloaded on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your Android or iOS phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find Data and Storage. Tap on it to open the next set of options. Now, under the Data and Storage section, tap on Storage Usage. This is where you'll find a list of all the media and files you've downloaded from Telegram. Scroll down and you'll see the total size of media files for each chat. To find all downloaded files, tap on Files. Here, all the files you have downloaded will be displayed. If you want to open a file, long tap on it and select the Open File option. Here's an example of a PDF file I downloaded. To delete cached file data, select the files and then click on Clear in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, if you want to find the file in the chat, long tap on it and select View in Chat. Here's the file in this chat. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find and manage your downloaded files on Telegram. It's really simple once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.